श्री कृष्ण मित्रों. Last time we can discuss about in aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Here we can start with this chapter. In this we can discuss about the reactions of aldehydes and ketone particularly. In these we can discuss about the aldol and cross aldol reactions. We can discuss about the aldol and cross aldol reactions. Now we can think about the different types of aldol reactions, and it is known as intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Now you can think about the different types of aldol condensation, which is not given in our textbook, but it is very important to solve the questions of JEE and NEET or PMDs. So intramolecular aldol condensation, what is the conditions and how it can be created? Yes, intra sub word આવ્યો, meaning તમે સમજી ગયા હશો કે one molecule ની અંદર જ aldol condensation થશે, मतलब કે કોઈ different molecule જ નહીં હોય, only one molecule આપણી આગળ હશે કે જે molecule certain position ઉપર carbonyl group contain કરતો હશે, and which can undergoes the aldol condensation. Yes, if a compound contains two aldehydes or ketone, if a compound contains two aldehydes or ketones, means if you can have a one compound in which we can have two aldehyde group or two ketonic groups, or one aldehyde and one ketone group, or one aldehyde and one ketone group, means compound have one aldehyde group and one ketone group, therefore it is also allowed at 1,6 or 1,7 or at 1,6 or 1,7 or 2,5 or 2,6 position. Positions with respect to each other, then intramolecular aldol condensation occurs. Then intramolecular aldol condensation occurs to give a 5 or 6 membered I think alicyclic alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, alicyclic alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones. Now we can explain it. Suppose if you can have one molecule which can have two aldehyde group in this molecule or two ketonic group in this molecule, or one group is aldehyde and one group is ketone, but the position is fixed. जो आ position ऊपर होगा जो है, either it is 1,6 position to each other, either it is 1,7, 2,5 or 2,6, means total 8 થાય, 1,6 or 1,7, clear? Sorry, 7 and 8 ટોટલ થાય, આ બેનો 7 ટોટલ થાય, આ બેનો 8 થાય, 1,7 1,8 પણ આપણે યાદ રહી જાય તો રાખવાનું છે 1,7 1,6 2,5 2,6 પોઝિશન ઉપર જો હોય with respect to each other, then intramolecular reactions are occur, aldol reactions occur, and the product is particularly 5 membered or 6 membered alicyclic alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketone. Suppose if you can think about that, we can have a molecule like that, CH2 CH2 CHO, CH2 CH2 CHO, It is hexane 1,6-diol. Hexane 1,6-diol means both are aldehyde group, and position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,6 position here. So cross aldol reaction is occur in presence of 10% aqueous NaOH means dilute NaOH. 10% લખો કે dilute લખો બે same to give a product like that. Yes, it can be cyclized. હવે કેવી રીતના cyclize થાય તો કે 4 કાર્બન તો સેમ રહે, CH2 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 CH2. હવે જે એક aldehydic group હોય એ C તરીકે અહીંયા કમ્બાઇન્ડ રહે. One is as CHO, a double bond is created and water molecule is released. I think you can be understand here. અહીંયાથી આલ્ફા હાઇડ્રોજન નીકળે. શું થયું તો કે સેમ વસ્તુ થઈ. અહીંયા પહેલા શું હતું? C ડબલ બોન્ડ OH, બરાબર આવી રીતના થયું. CH2 CH2 C ડબલ બોન્ડ OH, CH2 CH2 CHO, C double bond OH, whatever. અહીંયાથી જ મારે રિલીઝ કરવો હોય જો તો હું આમ કરી શકું કે અહીંયા H અને ડબલ બોન્ડ O. હવે શું થશે તો કે જે આનો હાઇડ્રોજન છે એ અહીંયા આવશે એટલે OH થશે. આ OH થશે, આ શું થશે અહીંયા આની સાથે OH, એની સાથે OH થશે એટલે આની કમ્બાઈન થઈ જશે. આખી વાત મગજમાં ઉતરે. હવે OH થશે એટલે અહીંયાથી OH અને અહીંયાથી H, સોરી અહીંયાથી OH અને બાજુમાંથી H બે રિલીઝ થશે એટલે અહીંયા વોટર મોલેક્યુલ નીકળી જશે, અહીંયા સિંગલ બોન્ડ બનશે એન્ડ પ્રોડક્ટ ઇઝ લાઈક ધેટ. યસ, this carbon contain an aldehyde group. Yes, it is directly combined here. Ring contraction is occur and molecule is formed like that. Ring contraction is occur and molecule is formed like that. I think you will be understand that કે કેવી રીતના મોલેક્યુલ જનરેટ થયો. અને એવી રીતના પણ ખબર ન પડે તો ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ જેટલા કાર્બન હોય અહીંયા 6 કાર્બન છે તો 5 મેમ્બર રિંગ ક્રિએટ થાય, આલ્ડીહાઇડિક ગ્રુપ સાઈડમાં આવી જાય ને અહીંયા ડબલ બોન્ડ ક્રિએટ થાય. હજી આપણે નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ કરશું એટલે થઈ જશે. નેક્સ્ટ હજી એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ, 2-3 એક્ઝામ્પલ સમજીએ ક્રોસ આલ્ડોલના, સોરી ઇન્ટ્રામોલેક્યુલરના. તો મોલેક્યુલ ઇઝ લાઈક ધેટ. here double bond O CH3 લખો ન લખો કોઈ ફરક ન પડે. Here molecule is like that. It can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions are there. Means 1, 7 है. Sorry. If you can give the number, it is like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total number આવી રીતના થાય. હવે જો આની રિસ્પેક્ટમાં હું વિચારું તો 1, 2 હું કમ્પાઉન્ડને નંબર નથી આપતો, ખાલી ગ્રુપને જ નંબર આપું તો જુઓ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 આની રિસ્પેક્ટમાં 1, 6 છે તો થાય. બીકોઝ વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7 હોવા જોઈએ તો છે જ. અથવા તો હું આ મોલેક્યુલને આવી રીતના પણ ડ્રો કરી શકું. સોરી, મેં એરેન્જ કરવાનો પ્રયત્ન કર્યો. If you can use a weak base, આ પણ યુઝ કરી શકાય ડાયલ્યુટ NaOH ની જગ્યાએ C2H5O- C2H5OH. Then it can be cyclized to give a 5-membered ring like that and C double bond OCH3 as it is. શું થયું તો કે આ જે રિંગ હતી આની સાથે સાયક્લાઇઝ થઈ ગઈ કારણ કે અહીંયા OH બનશે, બરાબર, પછી અહીંયાથી હાઇડ્રોજન રિલીઝ થશે એટલે આની સાથે આખું પાર્ટ સાયક્લાઇઝ થઈ ગયો એટલે જે 6 મેમ્બર જેવું દેખાતું હતું એ 5 મેમ્બર થઈ ગયું, બરાબર. જો નહીતર 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 આપણને દેખાય છે કાર્બન. નહીતર જો આમ રિંગ ક્રિએટ કરત તો 6 મેમ્બર રિંગ થાત, પણ એના કરતાં એક રિંગ ઓછી ક્રિએટ કરવાની આવી રીતના થઈ જશે. રેડી, 5 મેમ્બર રિંગ થશે અને ડબલ બોન્ડ ક્રિએટ થઈ જશે. આઈ થિંક યુ વિલ બી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધેટ. ન ખબર પડતી હોય તો યાદ રાખી લેવાનું. રેડી, બીકોઝ કે આની મિકેનિઝમની અંદર આપણે કંઈ લાંબા ઉતરશું નહીં. નેક્સ્ટ મોલેક્યુલ સપોઝ હજી હું પ્રેક્ટિસ કરાવું, આનાથી બહાર લગભગ ન હોઈ શકે. ઇટ ઇઝ લાઈક ધેટ. સોરી, કીટોન. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Clear? Now if you can think about this, if you can use C2H5O minus in the presence of C2H5OH, it can be cyclized to give a product like that. 5-member ring. Here we can have a CH3, here a double bond, and here double bond O, because alpha hydrogen is here. Then the product is like that. જો કઈ ખબર ન પડતી હોય તો આને યાદ રાખી લેવાની મિત્રો. Next, suppose if you can have a product like that, sorry, reactant like that. Same reason which when you use here, then the product is like that. આને યાદ રાખી લેવાનું મિત્રો. આ 3-4 મોલેક્યુલ છે જે ઇન્ટ્રામોલેક્યુલર આલ્ડોલ કન્ડેન્સેશન શો કરશે. અને એવું લાગે કે ભાઈ ખબર નથી પડતી તો રિલીઝ તો છોડી દેવાનું, બીકોઝ ઇઝ એડવાન્સ ટોપિક. જનરલી જેડબલની માટે હોય, પણ મને એવું લાગ્યું તો મેં કરાવી દીધો. ઇન્ટ્રા મોલેક્યુલર આલ્ડોલ કન્ડેન્સેશન. યસ, ક્લિયર? I think you will be clear about that. Now we can discuss about the next reaction, which is other reactions, in which we can study first Cannizzaro reactions. First we can study Cannizzaro reactions. Other reactions ની અંદર first આપણે Cannizzaro reaction study करिए. Yes, aldehydes which do not have an alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self oxidation and reduction disproportionation reactions on heating with concentrated alkali. In this reaction, one molecule of aldehyde is reduced to alcohol while another is oxidized to carboxylic acid salt. Yes, suppose we can have aldehyde which cannot have alpha hydrogen. It does not contain alpha hydrogen. Then we can treat it with 2 molecules of aldehyde we can take here which cannot have alpha hydrogen. We can treat it concentrated alkali, not a dilute. Dilute કોની અંદર યુઝ થાય? આલ્ડોલ ની અંદર, ક્રોસ આલ્ડોલ ની અંદર. જ્યારે કેનિઝારો ની અંદર કોન્સન્ટ્રેટેડ આલ્કલી યુઝ થાય. આમાંથી શું થશે તો કે કોઈ એક મોલેક્યુલ હશે આલ્કોહોલ ની અંદર reduce થશે, એક મોલેક્યુલ reduce થશે ટુ આલ્કોહોલ, અને એક મોલેક્યુલ હશે કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ સોલ્ટમાં ઓક્સિડાઇઝ થશે. And this reaction is known as disproportionation reactions. If one molecule undergoes oxidation and this molecule also undergoes reduction, then the reaction is known as disproportionation reactions. Then the reaction is known as disproportionation reactions. So the aldehyde molecules which does not have alpha hydrogen is treated with concentrated alkali. Then one molecule of aldehyde undergoes oxidation, one molecule of aldehyde undergoes reduction. Then the reaction is disproportionation. The reduced molecule is alcohol and the oxidized molecule is carboxylic acid salt. Now we can take some examples. Suppose we can take a formaldehyde which does not have a alpha hydrogen. We can treat it with concentrated alkali, concentrated NaOH, KOH, whatever. Here you can take NaOH or KOH, and we can heat it. Then the one molecule is reduced, means CHH, H and OH. Reduced means we can obtain a methanol. One molecule oxidized થાય, मतलब HC double bond O, OK plus, O minus K plus. That is nothing but potassium formate. That is nothing but potassium formate. સોલ્ટ બનશે. જો સોલ્ટ ન બન્યો તો કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ જ હતું, બીકોઝ જો આવું થાત HC ડબલ બોન્ડ OOH તો ઇટ ઇઝ કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ, ફોર્મિક એસિડ. બટ કોન્સન્ટ્રેટેડ આલ્કલી હોવાના કારણે એનું સોલ્ટની અંદર કન્વર્ઝન થશે, અહીંયા O- અને K+, પોટેશિયમ ફોર્મેટ મોલેક્યુલ ક્રિએટ થશે. Suppose if we can have a 2 molecules of benzaldehyde, it is also less of alpha hydrogen. We can treat it with concentrated NaOH, whatever alkali we can use here. What is this first molecule which we can obtain here? It is of the reduction in CS2OH, which is alcohol, means benzyl alcohol. Obtained here a benzyl alcohol. Yes. Now second molecule is oxidized, which is COO- and Na+, which is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Otherwise it is benzoic acid. Sodium benzoate, otherwise it is benzoic acid. I think you will be clear about this. Now we can take cross Cannizzaro reactions. Examples of cross Cannizzaro reactions. આની અંદર શું હતું કે તમે જે આલ્ડીહાઇડ મોલેક્યુલ યુઝ કર્યા એ બે સેમ હતા. Now if you can think about crossed Cannizzaro reactions, then one molecule is different from the second molecule of aldehydes. Here two different aldehyde molecules are there. Two different aldehydes are there. Suppose if we can have a first molecule is benzaldehyde. Cross માં આટલો ફરક હોય કે બે અલગ અલગ હોય. And second one is formaldehyde, HCHO. We can treat it with 50% of NaOH. Then remember always, formaldehyde undergoes oxidation. Small aldehyde, formaldehyde undergoes always oxidation, and this is reduced to give CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. Remember that. Formaldehyde that undergoes oxidation always. Formaldehyde undergoes oxidation always. Suppose if we can have a molecule like that, it does not have alpha hydrogen, we can treat it with, here we can change OCH3 with formaldehyde, 50% of alkali, any NaOH, KOH. Then formaldehyde is oxidized to give HCOO and a sodium format, and OCH3 as it is, because reaction यहाँ तो नहीं था. Here CH2OH. The name of this molecule is paramethoxybenzyl alcohol. Paramethoxybenzyl alcohol. Paramethoxybenzyl alcohol. Very simple. Two different aldehydes are there. Suppose if we can have aldehyde like that, CH2OH, CCHO, here CH2OH and CH2OH. You can treat it with formaldehyde. एक तो आपने common જ રાખ્યું formaldehyde. Reaction is same, 50% NaOH. Then we can get CH2, CCH2OH, here OH. Here also CH2OH, and it is also converted to CH2OH. All are CH2OH, and the another molecule is HCOO. It is also written like that. OH, 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 and OH. Very simple. So it is the reactions in which we can study the different aldehydes which does not have alpha hydrogen undergoes the Cannizzaro reaction, which is known as cross Cannizzaro. In this, small aldehyde or formaldehyde is generally undergoes oxidation, while another aldehyde is undergoes reduction. Means formaldehyde gives carboxylic acid salt, and another aldehyde gives alcohol on reduction. Clear? Now we can think about intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Means molecules ની અંદર Cannizzaro reactions. How we can explain it? Suppose if you can have a molecule like that, it is generally known as glyoxal. If you can treat it with concentrated alkali, then one aldehydic group is reduced and one aldehydic group is oxidized. Very simple. एक aldehydic group reduce થશે, એક aldehydic group suppose કે oxidize થશે. અને અહીંયા તમારે એને ન જોતો હોય તો તમે dilute HCl અને treat કરો, then you can obtain CH2OH and COOH, which is known as glycolic acid. Which is known as glycolic acid. Suppose if we can have a molecule like that, C double bond O and CHO, means one is aldehydic group, one is ketonic group. If we can treat it with aqueous NaOH, strong NaOH, then the reaction is like that. CHOH is COONA or H. If you can treat with dilute HCl, then we can get final product like that. So ketonic group is reduced to OH and aldehydic group is oxidized to COOH group, because oxidation of ketone is some different method. मतलब कि कीटोन ऑक्सीडेशन थोड़ी डिफरेंट રીતે થાય, એટલે कीटोन ऑलवेज reduce થાય અને aldehyde oxidize થાય. Ketone reduce થાય, aldehyde oxidize થાય. So it is intramolecular Cannizzaro reactions. Intramolecular Cannizzaro reactions. I think you will be clear about that. Now we can study the next reaction, which is electrophilic substitution reaction. Suppose we can have a aromatic aldehydes or ketone. Aromatic aldehyde and ketones, then it can undergo these types of reactions. Suppose we can have aromatic aldehydes or ketone, then it undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions in the ring, in which carbonyl group act as a deactivating and meta-directing group. Yes. હવે શું થશે તો કે જે એરોમેટિક રિંગ છે એની અંદર ઇલેક્ટ્રોફિલિક સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન થશે, રિંગની અંદર ઇલેક્ટ્રોફિલિક સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન થશે, ઇલેક્ટ્રોફાઇલ રિંગમાં એન્ટર થશે અને જે કાર્બોનાઇલ ગ્રુપ છે, આઈધર ઇટ ઇઝ aldehyde or ketone, is act as a deactivating and meta directing group. આ કેવું હશે? મેટા ડાયરેક્ટિંગ ગ્રુપ, જે મેં તમને GOC માં સ્ટડી કરાયું. મેટા ડાયરેક્ટિંગ ગ્રુપ હશે. મેટા ડાયરેક્ટિંગ હોવાના કારણે ઇલેક્ટ્રોફાઇલ જનરલી જે એટેક કરશે મેજર પ્રોડક્ટ તરીકે એ કોની ઉપર કરશે? મેટા પોઝિશન ઉપર. ઇટ ઇઝ જનરલી એટેક્સ ઓન મેટા પોઝિશન વિથ રિસ્પેક્ટ ટુ ધીસ કાર્બોનાઇલ ગ્રુપ. આ મેટા ઉપર એટેક મારશે because it is a meta directing group or deactivating group, which we can study in GOC. Suppose we can have a benzaldehyde, we can give the nitration reaction of that, HNO3 oblique H2SO4, nitration reactions 273 to 283 Kelvin temperature. We can get the product like that. CHO ortho and meta nitro benzaldehyde is a major product. Meta nitro benzaldehyde. What is the mechanism? Whatever we can study in the GOCs. Clear? So it is the reactions, which is electrophilic substitution reactions. Which is electrophilic substitution reaction. It is nitration. Suppose if you can think about halogenation, then halogenation is also occur. It is nitration. Now if you can think about the different reactions of electrophilic substitution reactions, it is like that. Now we can think about halogenation. Suppose we can treat benzaldehyde with Cl2 in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3, it can give metachlorobenzaldehyde. Metachlorobenzaldehyde, and byproduct is HCl. Byproduct is HCl. If you can think about the halogenation, yes. If you can think about the ketone COCS3, we can treat it with Br2 in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Whatever we can use, FeCl3, AlCl3. Byproduct is, yes, we can take here excess. Here COCS3 remains as it is, meta contain bromine, and byproduct is HBr. Byproduct is HBr. What is the name? Metabromoacetophenone. It is acetophenone. Then it is metabromoacetophenone. मीन्स કે આલ્ડીહાઇડ જ આવી રિએક્શન આપે એવું જરૂરી નથી, કેટોન પણ આવી રિએક્શન્સ આપી શકે. ક્લિયર? યસ, સો ઇટ વિલ બી ક્લિયર. Now, suppose we can have a benzaldehyde, we can treat it with chlorine at a low temperature. At a low temperature, we cannot use a catalyst. Then the reaction is different. Then we can create the product like that: benzaldehyde, Cl2, low temperature. Then it is C double bond O Cl, which is known as benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. Then the reaction is different if low temperature is here. Then substitution occurs at a hydrogen, benzoyl chloride. Clear? So same thing, if we can have the acetophenone, we can treat it with Br2 at ether, in presence of ether and 273 Kelvin. In the presence of ether, 273 Kelvin. In the presence of AlCl3, we cannot here use excess amount. Then the product is like that. C6H5, C double bond O, C double bond O, CS2Br. Now substitution occurs at their position. The name is changed to phenyl acyl bromide, PHENACYL. Phenacyl. PHENACYL, phenacyl bromide. That is the name of this product, which is changed. ક્લિયર? તો એલોજિનેશનની અંદર યાદ રાખજો, લો ટેમ્પરેચર રાખવામાં આવે અથવા તો ઇથરની પ્રેઝન્સમાં આવી રિએક્શન્સ કરવામાં આવે, મીન્સ કે આપણે એને કેટાલિટિક રીતે યુઝ ન કરીએ તો પ્રોડક્ટ ચેન્જ થઈ જાય. ક્લિયર? નેક્સ્ટ, સપોઝ ઇફ યુ કેન થિંક અબાઉટ ધી સલ્ફોનેશન, because all electrophilic substitution reactions are possible. Then it is like that. If we can have a benzaldehyde or acetophenone, we can treat it with concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of heat. The product is like that. Meta position SO3H. And byproduct is H2O. The name of first compound is metabenzaldehyde sulfonic acid. Metabenzaldehyde sulfonic acid. What is the name? Metabenzaldehyde sulfonic acid. or second name of this molecule is also a metaformyl benzene sulfonic acid. Metaformyl benzene sulfonic acid. The name of this molecule is meta-acetophenone sulfonic acid. Meta-acetophenone sulfonic acid. Or we can also say that meta-acetyl benzene sulfonic acid. Meta-acetyl benzene sulfonic acid. Yes, this is the electrophilic substitution reactions of aldehyde or ketones. Generally, it is halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, whatever. Clear? But it is meta-directing. Remember that. It is meta-directing due to the deactivation of carbonyl group. Now we can study some different reactions which is not given in our textbook, but it is very important. So we can start some important reactions which is not given in our textbooks, but it is important for the competitive exams. First we can study reactions with phosphorus pentachloride. Or SOCl2 means thionyl chloride. If we can have any carbonyl group containing molecule, we can treat it with PCl5. The main product is CCl2 plus POCl3 geminal dihalides we can generate here. Means two chlorines are combined to carbon. Clear? Now we can give some examples. Suppose we can have CH3CHO. We can treat it with PCl5. What is the product? Product is CHCH3Cl2 and POCl3. It is like that because અને આ હશે ને CH3 C double bond OH. તો શું થયું? Okay, CH3 and H remains as it is. Here Cl2 is there. Name of this molecule is ethylidene chloride or ethylidene chloride. Or another name of this molecule is 1,2-dichloroethane. 1,2-dichloroethane. Sorry, 1,1-dichloroethane. 1,1-dichloroethane. Clear? Suppose you can treat with ketone CH3 C double bond O CH3 PCl5. You can generate geminal dihalides like that CH3C CH3 Cl and Cl plus POCl3 is the byproduct. What is the name of this product? The name of this product is isopropylidene chloride. Isopropylidene chloride, or second name is 2,2-dichloropropane, which is IUPAC. 2,2-dichloropropane. 2,2-dichloropropane. Clear? Next, reaction with SOCl2. Carbonyl group plus SOCl2. Thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. It can be generated also a geminal dihalide in the presence of pyridine. Here we can use pyridine for the solvent. That is, product is like that similarly, but byproduct is different, which is SO2, sulfur dioxide. If you can treat here with aldehyde like that with SOCl2, then the product is same, but byproduct is different, which is SO2. I think you will be understand that. Clear? Byproduct is change. Here you can use SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. Here is SO2. All is same. સપોઝ કે અહીંયા આમ પણ હોઈ શકે. There is no doubt here benzene ring product is same. આવું પણ થઈ શકે. So it is a reaction with PCl5 and SOCl2 which can generate the geminal dihalides generally. Clear? So remember that. Now we can think about the next reactions which is useful for us is oxidation with selenium dioxide. Oxidation with selenium dioxide. Oxidation with SeO2, selenium dioxide. Oxidation with selenium dioxide, SeO2. Clear? Now what is the reactions? Aldehyde and ketones with a reaction, aldehyde or ketone with a reactive methylene or methylene group adjacent to carbonyl group undergoes oxidation with Ac2. Means કે તમારી આગળ આલ્ડીહાઇડિક ગ્રુપ હોય કે કેટોનિક ગ્રુપ હોય એની એડજેસન્સ ની અંદર જે મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ છે અહીંયા CH2 CH3 whatever it undergoes methyl group means CH3 adjacent to that is known as active methylene also. It undergoes the oxidation reactions in the presence of ACO2 at a room temperature at the alpha carbon to form dicarbonyl compounds. At the alpha carbon to form dicarbonyl compounds. Yes, CH3 C double bond OH plus SeO2. It gives the reaction product like that. C double bond O C double bond O H and H. આ તો હતું જ આ પણ C double bond OH ની અંદર કન્વર્ટ થાય plus Se plus H2O. That is a product. Plus Se selenium plus H2O. It is a product. Clear? So you can be said that yes, it is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon undergoes oxidation to give C double bond O dicarbonyl group. We can take some next example. CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus SeO2. Then the reaction is like that. C double bond O C double bond O H and CH3 plus Se plus H2O. Yes. There is no difference. It is known as methyl glyoxal. It is glyoxal. It is methyl glyoxal. કોઈ ફરક નહીં પડે આ મિથાઇલ અંડરગો કરશે ઓક્સિડેશન કે આ મિથાઇલ કરશે આમ પણ થઈ શકે આમ પણ થઈ શકે CH3 C double bond O C double bond OH both are same according to the IUPAC. There is no problem. Now we can take next aldehyde which is suppose CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. Now the question is that from the both side RT is here room temperature known, which alpha carbon is oxidized both like that. First one oxidize કરું તો આવું થાય C double bond OH C double bond O ઉપર લખો નીચે લખો કોઈ ફરક ન પડે CH2 CH3. In the second molecule suppose કે આ oxidize થાય તો આવું થાય CH3 C double bond O adjacent એટલે આ થયું ને મિથાઇલ C double bond O and CH3. Both products are possible, but it is major. It is minor. Why? Because આપણે મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપની વાત કરી રહ્યા એક્ઝેક્ટ મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ તો આ જ છે. It is major product. The name of this product is ethyl glyoxal. Ethyl glyoxal. And the name of this product is butane 1,2,3 dione. Butane 2,3 dione. I think you will be understand about this. Suppose we can have a molecule like that C6H5 for benzene ring which does not have alpha hydrogen. You can oxidize with the help of Ac2O2. What is the product? જનરલી આમાં તો છે જ નહીં, તો હવે આ બાજુ ઓક્સિડાઇઝ થશે. C double bond O, C double bond O, H plus Fe plus H2O. The name of this product is phenyl glyoxal. Name of this product is phenyl glyoxal. Next example is you can study कराओ. Suppose if you can have a cyclic ketone, cyclohexanone. You can treat it with SiO2 in the presence of H2O. It can give the product like that. એક તો કાર્બોનાઇલ ગ્રુપ હતું, સેકન્ડ પણ બની જશે. યસ, પછી આ સાઈડ બને ઓલી સાઈડ બને કોઈ ફરક ન પડે. સાયક્લોહેક્ઝા 1,2-ડાયોન. સાયક્લોહેક્ઝા 1,2-ડાયોન. બીકોઝ આ પણ CH2 ગ્રુપ જ છે, આ પણ CH2 ગ્રુપ જ છે. બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક CH2 ગ્રુપ ઓક્સિડાઇઝ થાય, there is no problem because IUPAC are same. બીકોઝ કે આ બાજુ લખું કે આ બાજુ લખું કોઈ ફરક ન પડે. both are same. Clear? So what is a reaction with SiO2 where કાર્બોનાઇલ ગ્રુપની બાજુનો જે આલ્ફા કાર્બન હોય એ મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ કન્ટેન કરતું હોય તો એ ઓક્સિડાઇઝ થાય COO ની અંદર. યસ, એક કરતાં વધારે હોય તો પરફેક્ટ મિથાઇલ ગ્રુપ વાળી પ્રોડક્ટ CH3 વાળી પ્રોડક્ટ મેજર પ્રોડક્ટ હશે, CH2 વાળી પ્રોડક્ટ માઇનર હશે. You will be remember that. We can be remember that. Clear? Next we can study here is, suppose if you can reduce the aldehydes and ketones, then we can study some reactions like Wolff-Kishner, Clemmensen to reduce hydrocarbon, reduction to hydrocarbon. Next reagent which is also used here is Hi/red phosphorus at 423 Kelvin. It is also convert aldehydes or ketones into the hydrocarbons like that. Suppose we can have CH3 C double bond OH. We can treat with 4Hi molecule in the presence of red phosphorus as 423 Kelvin. Then it is converted to this CH3 ethane plus H2O plus 2I2. That is simple. Suppose we can have acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3 4Hi. Reaction is same to give CH3 CH2 CH3 plus H2O plus 2I2. I think you will be understand about that. Now we can think about the different reactions, which is reduction to alcohol. We can use so many reagents for that. We can use one reagents. Now first we can give the reaction name. BOUVEAULT, Boult blank reduction or reaction. Boult blank reaction in which reagent is Na plus ethanol. Work is same. Suppose if you can have the molecule like that, C6H5C double bond OH or CH3, whatever aldehyde or ketone, we can treat with H2 in presence of Na/C2H5OH because you can reduce it. Then we can reduce to alcohol CH3C double bond O CH3, sorry, CHOH CH3. Remember that methyl phenyl carbinol, methyl phenyl carbinol, C6H5 here, C6H5 here. Now we can give the difference between 2 reducing agents. પહેલા આટલું લખી નાખજો, એના પછીનું બહુ IMP છે. Which is also used to reduction to alcohol. The first point is that suppose we can have a molecule like that, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, C double O, C2H5, and we can reduce it. Means it can have a two group. First one is carbonyl, second one is ester. Ethyl 4, you can give a name. Ethyl 4 oxopentanoate. Oxopentanoate. That is the name. Now we can use two different reducing agents, and we can have the two different products. Suppose we can use LiAlS4 in the presence of dry ether, lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of dry ether, and H3O plus, and second is NaBH4 oblique alcohol in the presence of alcohol, H3O plus, then we can have a different product. With the help of LiAlS4, carbonyl and ester, both groups are reduced. Remember always, it is very important for the NEET and JEE. The notice the product is like that: CH3CHOH, CH3CHOH, CH2CH2CH3, CH2CH2CH2OH, because CH2OH no reduction thase, both are reduced. CH2OH, and the second is एक आ reduce થયો આ સાઈડ વાળો CH2CH2OH, અને સેકન્ડ મોલેક્યુલ આપણને કયો મળશે C2H5OH. both are reduced. Can get the product like that. But આના બે ટુકડા કરી નાખવાના, આનું પણ રિડક્શન કરી નાખવાનું CH2OH ની અંદર, આનું પણ કરી નાખવાનું. Only carbonyl group is reduced with the help of these reagents. Remember, then we can have the product like that: CH3CHOH, remaining part as it is. The name is ethyl 4 hydroxypentanoate. Ethyl 4 hydroxypentanoate. Very simple. Clear? So both works differently. Lithium aluminium hydride is a strong reducing agent which is reduce both ester and carbonyl, while NaBH4 is mild as compared to LiAlS4, which can reduce only and only carbonyl group, does not reduce ester, and the product is like that. Ester નું કેવી રીતના રિએક્શન કરવાનું, બે પાર્ટ કરીને રિડ્યુસ કરવાના. ક્લિયર? Now here we can discuss about second reduction method. હજી આપણે થોડીક reduction method use કરીએ, discuss કરીએ, which is MPV reduction. The full form is Merwin, MERWEIN, Merwin Ponderoff. Valery reduction. That is the full form of these reactions, in which we can have a carbonyl group. Generally, ketones, we can use this reaction for ketones. We can treat with hydrogen in the presence of aluminium isopropoxide. Which is CH3 twice CHO thrice Al. CHO thrice Al. It is aluminium isopropoxide. In CH3 twice CHOH means isopropyl alcohol. In the presence of isopropyl alcohol, it is converted to secondary alcohol. Very simple, but we can use this reagent. Nothing but, suppose we can give the example. It is ketone. Then only and only this group is reduced, does not reduce double bond. Does not reduce double bond. But instead of this, if you can use a strong reducing agent as to gas 1 atmosphere in the presence of PD/C and ethanol, then both are reduced. Then only and only double bond are reduced, it remains same. याद रखो तो डबल बॉन्ड reduce થાય H2 gas, PD/C, ethanol. These all are we can remember. So જેટલી એક્સ્ટ્રા વાત આવતી હતી મિત્રો કે જે થોડીક ડિફરન્ટ હતી, જેની અંદરથી કંઈક આપણે સમજવાનું હતું, એ બધી જ વાત મેં કરાવી દીધી. Now we can finish aldehydes and ketone with its use, which is given in our textbook. So uses of aldehydes and ketone. In chemical industry, generally aldehydes and ketone are used as a solvent. In industry, generally it is used as a solvent or starting materials and reagents for the synthesis of other product, which is also used as a starting material and reagents to convert the one organic molecule to another organic molecule. Yes, formaldehyde is a well known as formalin. formaldehyde નું જે સોલ્યુશન છે એ ફોર્મેલિન તરીકે વેલ નોન છે, જાણીતું છે. which is well known as formalin, which is 40% solution of formaldehyde. If we can have a 40% solution of formaldehyde, then it is known as formalin, which is used to preserve biological specimens and to prepare bakelite. Bakelite is one type of polymer which can studies in 12th. ફોર્મેલિન છે એ બાયોલોજીકલ સ્પીસીસને જાળવી રાખવા માટે યુઝ થાય. જે નાની એવી કાચની બોટલ હોય એમાં સહેજ યલોઇશ જેવું લિક્વિડ ભરેલું હોય, એમાં પછી આપણે બાયોલોજીકલ સ્પીસીસને રાખતા હોઈએ, ઇટ ઇઝ ફોર્મેલિન. ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો યુઝ ટુ પ્રિઝર્વ ધી ડેડ બોડીઝ ઓલ્સો. ડેડ બોડીઝ હોય એને પ્રિઝર્વ કરવા માટે પણ ફોર્મેલિન યુઝ કરી શકાય. નાઉએડેઝ ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો યુઝ ટુ પ્રિઝર્વ ધી મિલ્ક ઓલ્સો. અત્યારે એનો મિસયુઝ પણ થાય છે કે દૂધ હોય એ બગડી ગયું હોય અને એની સ્મેલ ના આવે બિકોઝ ઓફ ધી ફોર્મેલિન, એટલા માટે એમાં ફોર્મેલિન નાખી દેવામાં આવે. બરાબર છે. સિન્થેટિક મિલ્ક આવે માર્કેટની અંદરમાં, ઘણી બધી વખત મિસયુઝ કરીને મિલ્કની અંદર ફોર્માલ્ડિહાઇડ યુઝ કરેલો હોય. નેક્સ્ટ, acetaldehyde is used as a primary as a starting material in the manufacturing of acetic acid, ethyl acetate, vinyl acetate, polymers and drugs, which you can remember. Benzaldehyde is used in perfumery and in dye industry, means coloring industry. Acetone and ethyl methyl ketone are commonly industrial solvents. Many aldehydes and ketones like butyraldehyde, vanillin, acetophenone, camphor are well known for their odors and flavors. Therefore, it is used as a flavoring agents. So, મિત્રો આજના માટે આટલું. Here we can complete the half part of chapter which is aldehydes and ketone. From the next lecture we can start the carboxylic acid. આજના માટે આટલું મિત્રો, પ્રેક્ટિસ કરતા રહેજો વધારે next time.